Chitra Sandil Kumar, who's into SME panel. She's a coordinator of SME panel. She's also a great woman. She's into Rotary and she's an president-elect for this year in Tirupur district, Avinashi. So congratulations on that, Mrs. Vijitra. And we also have Mrs. Sushila who has joined now. Hi, Mrs. Sushila. Welcome to the show. She is working as a counselor in Army School. We are very proud to have everyone. So we have Ms. Danya, who is Secretary of Young Minds Forum. She is about to ask few questions to all of the experts over here. So let's start with the thing why we are here today. So like 2020 has been a very hard time for all of us, for all the parents, students, entrepreneurs, teachers, school education people. Everybody has been facing a lot of difficulties all through this 2020. So, how to move positively into 2021? Because there is always a choice which we can make. It's not by chance. You have to live by your choice. So, what is the choice we can make for 2021? That is what is going to be the discussion for today. So, let's start with Dr. Gayatri. Dr. Gayatri, can you just share us how the children and parents can, move ahead with 2021 after all these things, after all these, drastic changes in life, everything becoming digital? How are we supposed to handle children's? Can you just give us some idea about that?
Yeah. First, let me thank you. Yeah, thanks for a warm welcome. And thank you, We Network family, also for having this continuous sessions with experts and everything. So, yeah, 2020 is a different year. And as we all know that we wouldn't have expected this. Definitely no one would expect a school closure or anything like this for like to say around 8 months. We don't
Yes.
expect this. It's a very difficult and different year. But one more thing, like I can say that many children are having difficulty with this online classes and everything, but kids are actually taking it very nicely. To be honest, children are the people, they are accepting it. They know their limitations and they are also adjusting to the online classes. And they also know that we cannot go out and we have to be at home and everything. So the scenario has changed and online schools, classes have changed. There are many things that changed in this online time. But on a positive note, we can see that parents are having time with their family, like with their kids and everything. Yeah, that is also happening. And many parents, like especially I handle kids with learning challenges. So many parents have started realizing that their child is having learning difficulty also in this period, because they are sitting together with the child and they
Yes.
are noticing it. They are noticing their child having
So only
difficulty
when
and they're
we,
approaching
yeah,
you.
as you rightly said, only when we sit
Yeah.
with our children, we will know what is wrong with them, what is going right with them, and what are their
Correct.
difficulties. So this was a time
Yeah.
which we spent really a good time with the children. That is a very real positive point. Yes, we have to
Yes,
accept
that
that.
was the point. Yeah. Like as teachers are also actually, they also changed to online mode in a fraction of just few weeks. Many even didn't know what is Zoom or anything. Now, almost every one of us know what is a Zoom or a Google Meet. I'm not saying people into IT or anyone, but I'm saying that normal people, even my in-laws, parents, everyone know what is Google Meet or
What is
what is
Google?
Zoom.
Yes,
Technology has binded to our lives. Now
yes,
everyone know these are all there. On a positive note, if this has been a normal time, this technology, maybe it would have taken at least 10 years. It was
yes,
like said
yes.
in some quote also, it would at least take 10 years for this transformation. So this has happened. But for kids, actually it's a difficulty. For parents also, okay, just relax, just take one step at a time. Don't worry that your child is lagging behind or there's a learning gap or anything. They will definitely change it over. They will change once the academics start, and they need a school. That environment is what creates them. It's not only the classes what they listen to, but they need a school, especially for younger kids, because I basically deal mostly with younger kids. For those kids, it's not the 1 hour class or anything. They want their friends, they want their caretakers, they miss their akkas, they miss their drivers, they miss everyone, not only the teachers, but they're missing everyone, the
Yes,
environment, everything. So
yes.
that is what they are missing. Let's take one step at a time, and I think 2021, everything will change, and we'll definitely expect hope, and there will be a positive environment also. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ms. Danya, do you have anything to ask to Dr. Gayatri?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So yes. As I'm studying in grade 9 and I'm moving to grade 10 in just 2 or 3 months. So I feel very stressed about going to the 10th grade. So what will I do? All those stress. So how to deal with that stress?
Okay, yeah, hi Danya. That was a good question. Because I see this with many kids, especially that ninth or 11th, ninth to 12th grade, especially. They are having this difficulty because if you are in school, usually our 10th syllabus itself starts. It starts around January and everything would be a different thing. See, don't get stressed. And we learned one thing that education, 8 hours classes or exams is not the end of the life or anything, because that was everything. Like in our scenario, like when even me, when we are in 10th standard, it's like, yeah, you have to study, you have to do this. But we all know what happened to the 10th standard last year, how the exams were taken, because exams will be there, but that is also a part of life. But there is much more things also about the stress. Of course there will be little anxiousness, stressful things, everything. But start taking it slowly. And now I think kids also learn how to manage their time effectively, because you are doing by yourself. It's not a teacher who is pushing you. You are learning that you have to take this time for online classes, do your assignments, do your homeworks. Actually you learn like the college students, you have started learning by yourself. You started researching everything. You are researching about books or articles or anything on the net, and you're learning more also. The knowledge is actually widened up. It's like widened up and you're researching a lot. So just take one thing at a time. That's what I will usually say. And you can actually manage your time. You can strategically plan time. And then while reading and everything, I'll say you have to properly prepare also. It's not only just reading it up, but understand and read it. Then it would be easy also. That's it. So I think you can take one step at a time and move on to your bright 10th standard. I know you'll all be flying in good colors.
Yeah, with
Yeah,
that
thank you
note,
so much.
with that note, I also
Welcome.
know that Dr. Gayatri used to take a wonderful time management session. I was, I had that, time with Dr. Gayatri when she was taking that, how to schedule your time and everything. It's really, really wonderful. She used to keep on doing this seminar every now and then. If she is going to conduct it again, people don't miss it. Whoever is watching it, do not miss that session. It will be really, really helpful for you. I personally know Dr. Gayatri for being very perfect in her schedule. Before me asking her, she used to know if anything, any schedule is being framed, she used to be the first person to ask if this is going to happen, ma'am, this meeting is there, how is it going? Everywhere, she is very perfect. So I personally know her in that way. So please do take the chance if she is going to conduct any time management session again. So that's great of you,
Yeah.
Dr. Gayatri.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Yeah.
for your answers. And this, with the same
Thank
question to Mrs. Aminder Kaur now. So as the question was asked, she is Danya was asking that she is very much stressed about going to 10th and everything with this online course and everywhere. So what can these children do from restraining from themselves from that tension through mindfulness or through meditation? What is your advice in that, Mrs. Aminder?
Yeah. So actually, this year has been a very stressful year for everyone. I think nobody would have predicted that in our wildest dream that for 6 or 8 months everybody is going to be held at home. This was, I think, the grannies also. It's a shock for them, and for us also. Everybody, it's a new thing, and so many people went into stress and tensions. But I feel it depends on individuals. So many people grew up also. They have so much of growth they have in this period. Like for ourselves, we also didn't know what is Zoom, how Dr. Gayatri was mentioning. We also started doing meditation classes, yoga classes on Zoom. And that way, we also learned so much.
Yes, at the comfort of our place only. We are not moving instead, but the things are moving. Yeah.
Yeah, because we never focused on it before. We were always planning to go out, we'll have these sessions over there, here. But at the comfort of our home, we can do so much. We can explore. We can learn so much. In fact, we learned, I think many people learned so much and grew. Those who were not doing anything, they formed new hobbies, and which were left for a long time, they picked that up and started doing their handicrafts and everything. And I feel more of them, people grew up also. In this period, there was an immense growth for so many. Yeah, it depends on individuals how they take up. So it is, again, your mindset. It is, if you have more open mind, you will say, okay, this is a time, where we can explore more things and learn. Everybody is a learner. We learn on every stage of our life. So we learn also so much. We learned, in fact, and after learning, we want to, give out the whatever we have gained, give out to others. And that also, sitting in the comfort of our homes, we can do that. So personally, I feel for me, it was a very growth. I grew myself so much, and of course, 2021, everybody's crossing the fingers, and hopefully it is going to be a great year for everyone. We've learned so much in this, and let's explore what is more there to learn.
So how do these kids, calm down themselves because of this, online things and all? Like people like Danya, who's going to their public exams, who's going to be their board exams are there, so many things are there. They're a little stressed about that. How do they calm down themselves? That is what,
see, for small children, we cannot tell them meditate. They will not do.
Any small tip?
Yeah, tip is that you do breathing exercise.
Yes.
So tip is what breathing is 7-8-4. This thing 7-4-8. That is 7. 7 seconds you inhale, 4 seconds retention, and 8 seconds exhale. So we call it 7-4-8. With that, you keep on doing that breathing. What will happen is you will calm down your mind. And once your mind is calmed, then naturally you will come to some solution or some whatever is troubling you. Automatically solutions will come to you. When the mind is calm, naturally so many things come up, and you do not need to go out anywhere. Just sitting at home, whenever you are in a stress, just do this breathing exercise. It will not take more than 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you can come to solve your problems.
Yes, that's really, really a nice, wonderful tip. That's a quick tip, actually. So that is what everything quick we need today. Yes, right, Dr. Gayatri. Everything quick we need. Like
nobody has time, I think, nowadays.
Like everything 2 minutes we need. Everything in 2 minutes, 3 minutes we need to finish. Yes, rightly said. It is a very highly positive. So many people are thinking that this 2020 has taken into a lot of trouble, but it has taken us to a lot of troubles. But then it has also given us a lot of wisdom, where we should look back and, to the family, where we should look back and where we should, improve ourselves. Everything it has, turned into a lot of positive mode. Like how Dr. Gayatri was mentioning, this would have taken another 10 years, for this technology to launch, but it has happened right now. As Mrs. Amanda shared, she has grown herself in this, online, zone very much. So there are a lot of opportunities which you can explore in a positive mode. Do not fall into this trap that you are into, some sad mode, sad things, bad things. No, it's not that. There are so many good things which is opening up. Please do look at that and take an opportunity to hold it. So now we have Vijitra Sandilkumar over here. So can we hear it from here? How to, as a woman, how a woman should be able to manage themselves and move into the next category, next 2021. Can we hear it from Vijitra Sandilkumar?
Yeah, thank you, Mrs. Purnima Swami, and good evening to all. And
yeah, by this mode, I think her network is not allowing her to, come on, video. So she is sharing her audio. Please do, excuse for that. Yes, please carry on, Mrs. Vijita.
Yeah, am I clear, Purni? Am I audible?
Yes, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Carry on.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this 2020 is full of confusions and pandemic stress and all. Even kids having stress. Danya's questions is really எனக்கு ரொம்பவே கஷ்டமா போச்சு. குழந்தைங்க கூட ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஆகுறாங்களா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு ஆயிடுச்சு. சோ கிட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து தயவுசெய்து இந்த படிப்புக்காக வந்து நீங்க ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஆகாதீங்க. ஃபேமிலி, ஸ்கூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஈவன் கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. சோ நீங்க வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஆகவே வேண்டாம். உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு தூரம் உங்களால அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணி கோப் அப் பண்ண முடியுதோ அதுல நீங்க அப்படியே அந்த ஃப்ளோலயே போங்க. அண்ட் டாக்டர் காயத்ரி சொன்ன மாதிரி, அமந்தர் மேம் சொன்ன மாதிரி, இதை வந்து நீங்க பாசிட்டிவா வந்து எடுத்துக்கோங்க இந்த சுச்சுவேஷனை. சோ ஜஸ்ட் நீங்க வந்து ரிலாக்ஸா மூவ் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. சோ கிட்ஸுக்கு நான் அதான் சொல்றேன், நீங்க ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸே ஆக வேண்டாம், ரிலாக்ஸா இருங்க. அண்ட் கம்மிங் டு விமென்ஸ், ஆக்சுவலா விமென்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு தான் ரொம்ப வேலை ஜாஸ்தின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த பேண்டமிக் சுச்சுவேஷன், இது லாக்டவுன்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு தான் ரொம்பவே வந்து 24/7 நம்ம வந்து ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோமும் பண்ணணும், ரெண்டாவது ஹவுஸ் ஒர்க்கையும் பார்க்கணும், கிட்ஸும் வீட்டுல இருப்பாங்க 24/7, அவங்களுக்கும் நம்ம அட்டென்ஷன் கொடுக்கணும். சோ இப்ப நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, டைம் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் கம்மிங், அதே பாயிண்ட் டாக்டர் காயத்ரி சொன்ன மாதிரி தான் வர. சோ ஷெட்யூல் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீங்களும் வந்து ரொம்ப வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம். ஷெட்யூல் பண்ணீங்கன்னாவே ஒரு 50% ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து கிளியர் ஆயிரும். அண்ட் உங்களுக்கு எந்த விஷயத்துல வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டோ அதுல வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கூட என்ஹான்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நம்ம ஈவன் நம்ம VNet Tribe வந்து இஸ் a wonderful platform. அதாவது வந்து இப்போ ஆக்சுவலா வந்து நான் ரோட்டரியில இருக்கேன், ஃபீல்ட் ஒர்க் பண்றேன். பட் வந்து இப்ப இந்த பேண்டமிக் நிறைய பண்ணிருக்கேன். நான் பண்ணலங்கிற பேண்டமிக்ல நான் எதுவுமே ஃபீல் ஒர்க் பண்ணலைங்கிற ஃபீல் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து ஆக்சுவலா இல்ல. சோ இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயம் அதுக்கான டைம் வந்து டெய்லி ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னாவே உங்களுக்கு நீங்க ரொம்ப மோட்டிவேட் ஆயிருவீங்க. நீங்க மோட்டிவேட் ஆகி நல்லா ஸ்டேபிளா இருந்தாவே வந்து எவ்ரிதிங் வில் கோ பீஸ்ஃபுல்லி. அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க வந்து பாத்துக்கலாம். அப்புறம் ரெண்டாவது, ஸ்டே ஹெல்தி, ஸ்டே ஃபிட், ட்ரை டு ஸ்பெண்ட் சம் டைம் ஃபார் எக்ஸசைஸ், மெடிடேஷன் அண்ட் நல்லா ஹெல்தி ஃபுட்ஸ் கொடுங்க. பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இப்போ இந்த கொரோனா டைம்ல தான் வந்து நம்ம ரொம்ப வந்து சாப்பாட்டுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ இதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து அப்படியே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ் கண்டிப்பா பண்ணுங்க, மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணுங்க. நம்மளுக்குன்னு நம்ம பர்சனல் செல்ஃப் கேருக்குன்னு கொஞ்சம் வந்து டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீங்க செல்ஃப் கேர் எடுத்து நல்லா இருந்தீங்கன்னாவே உங்க ஃபேமிலி அண்ட் சொசைட்டி வில் மூவ் ஸ்மூத்லி.
Yes, 100%. That is rightly said, Vijitra. Actually, if we see Vijitra, she takes 1 hour every day morning without fail. She does yoga. Without any excuse. All the family members in her family completely does the yoga, and even Amender at this age, she's actually crossing. She's going to be in her 60s now, but then also she regularly does her yoga at every day by 5 o'clock. So like that, we need to schedule. We need to, like Dr. Gayatri, she is very good expert in scheduling. So like everybody has their own specialty. Let's share what we know and let's also motivate other people. Let us also be motivated throughout the year. And 2021 is really going to be a great opportunity for all the people. With this positive note, move into the 2021, thinking that this year has taught us a lot of things which we were lagging all these years. This is 10 years we have moved forward. So please do think that thing in the mind and keep it in the mind. Go ahead, people. 2021 is waiting for you with lots of love, care, support, and so many things are going to be on your way. With that note, it's signing off is Purnima Swami and Dr. Gayatri, Amender, Vijitra Senthilkumar, and Danya. Thank you for watching this, people. We'll catch you up in another episode in 2021. Thank you.